Okay, so here we are, starting back off at where we left off. We're going to introduce some numbers and strings. A string is just a series of letters or words, like this is a string here, but we haven't declared it or made it anything yet. Oh, my headphones nearly fell off. Alright, so let's go string text equals this is our text. Then at the end of the line you've got to remember to put the semicolon. Yeah. Alright, so then instead of having this here, or we can put this in there as well by going comma text. Oh, actually I think it's a plus we need. Plus text. Alright, now let's see what we get. So here we go. This is my program, this is our text. Now we don't want it in that line, so we're going to change this. And go, this is my program, we're going to change this to system out print ln for print line, so then it puts an enter at the end for a new line. Then we go system out print to print again, and we'll put our text in here, and now it should print that on a new line. There we go. Build successful, easy. Now we know a little bit about strings, so that's a string. Let's add some numbers. So we're going to go int, which is integer, int first equals 4. Okay, and we'll go int second equals 6. Alright, now you can print ints straight out, so let's try printing an int. We'll go system.out print, make this an ln as well, and then won't that work? Yep, good on ya. So we're going to put first in here, so that will go in there, and it should. We'll change this to ln as well, so it's all on a new line. Now play. So there we go, there's our 4 there. Alright, now inside here we can also do, like say we want to times it by second. Oh, spelled that wrong. Second. Okay, now let's see what we get. 24, see? So inside this, it's done it just there. So first times second. So it's looked up 4 times 6. And so we can also go int result, and then we'll just go like that. Okay, so after this we can go result equals first plus second, and just for fun we're going to go times 2. So does anybody know what that is going to do? What's wrong with this? Let's see, we can press Alt Enter when there's that thing there. Result. Because I've spelt result wrong here. See that little thing? That means there's an error. Cannot find see there? Cannot find symbol. Symbol variable result. So that means result cannot be found. So if we put an L in there, because it hasn't been named yet, so now result exists. So results down here. Now let's play. Oh, of course, we haven't printed out result. So system.out. Whoa, system.out print ln for another line, and we'll put result in there. And you can also go control space, which is a shortcut, and it will just finish the line for you. Now let's play. Now do you know why that is 16 and not, what did we go? First plus second, and not 20. It's because it runs on the same line rules as maths, so BODMAS, which is brackets of division, multiplication, and then addition and subtraction. So it'll do division and multiplication before it'll do addition and subtraction. And if you wanted to add them up first, you would put these brackets around it, like so. So now, first it will do first plus second times 2. So we press play, and there we go. So that's 20 this time. So that's a basic thing. Now, integers can only be whole numbers. So if we put this 4.7, see, it doesn't know what it's doing. So we'll go Alt Enter on it, and see cast 4. See, we don't want to do any of that. That's just not very good. But if we put our thing over here, see, impossible loss of precision. So that means the 4.7, it won't be precise. So we'll change it. Let's change it from an int to a double, which is a different thing. But see, now it doesn't know because result is an int. So here it'll have the same problem. Possible loss of precision. Required int found double, because result is meant to equal an int. So where we've got a double plus an int, that needs to be a double because it can't be an int because it's not a whole number. So if we just change result to a double as well, that should get rid of that error. And there we go. We'll play that and see we've got 21.4. So yeah, that's basic printing and stuff. Now also, instead of having print ln, we can also do this. We go \n for new line, and now we'll put in some more words like new line, and we'll go another new line. We'll go to 2 new lines just for fun, and then we'll just put some dots and a couple exclamation marks. How about a little bit of this action? There we go. Now let's see what happens. It's going in here. Dot dot dot. And all there. And then this is our text. Now see, we haven't got a /n at the end here. So and that's not a line, so it's not going to make a new line at the end of this text. So we shall put another n there, and that should make a new line. Yep, there we go. All nice and good and fun. So hopefully you've been able to follow this. Try it yourself, do whatever you do with it. What else can I show you about this? That's pretty much it for this tutorial, I think. Yeah. So I'll see you all next tutorial, where we'll start getting into some other more interesting stuff. Alright, see you later.